Thinking about off-grid living with a used travel trailer? Make sure you check for roof leaks, axles, tires. Make sure the hitch and ball are the correct size and your vehicle can handle the extra weight and electrics to ensure safety. Happy travels.
Anyway, apparently this trailer has sat for an awful long time. The sun's really bright, sorry. The guy that I bought it from said that somebody lived in it for quite a while and they moved out, and it sat. So I don't know how long it sat, but judging, I vacuumed the floor, the carpet, and I had to empty it 2 or 3 times. It was so dirty and dusty inside. And it looks like they had an animal in there, a pet or something. A lot of hair in the filters. Whoa! You got to be downwind, I think. Geez. It's all going towards the camera. Get back here. Wow. This area is really dusty anyway. Yeah, we'll try that and see how that works. Put the filter back on. Wow. I got to put some more bricks under this water heater. We had a pretty good windstorm the other day and blew the shower tent down and put a big rip in it in the top, so it doesn't make any difference. The trailer's got a shower in it anyway, so. Need to get it up higher because if it's too low, it puts a kink in the hose and they start to leak. So I gotta get it. Yeah, it's leaking. It's still leaking. Turn the pump off. Okay. Now stop leaking.